Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating field of technology, natural language processing, or NLP for short. If you've ever interacted with Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, or used a translation app, you've already experienced NLP in action. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Let's explore. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps machines understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that's both meaningful and useful. The ultimate goal of NLP is to enable machines to read, comprehend, and generate human language as effectively as humans do. NLP relies on complex algorithms and large data sets to train machines. Think of it as teaching a computer to process language by exposing it to huge amounts of text, just like a person learns a language by hearing and reading it. But unlike humans, NLP systems need to break down language into components that computers can understand, like words, phrases, and sentence structures. Some of the key components of NLP include 1. Tokenization. This is the process of breaking text into smaller pieces, called tokens, usually words or sentences. Second part of speech. Tagging. This assigns labels to words in a sentence, such as whether a word is a noun, verb, or adjective. 3. Named entity recognition. This helps identify specific names, like a person's name or location, from text. 4th, sentiment analysis. This helps understand the emotional tone behind a body of text. It's used in social media monitoring to track opinions about a brand or product. So, how is NLP used in the real world? 1. Chatbots and virtual assistants. NLP enables chatbots to understand user queries and respond accordingly. Whether you're ordering food through an app or getting tech support, NLP makes these conversations possible. 2. Translation services. Apps like Google Translate rely on NLP to convert text from one language to another. 3. Text summarization. NLP can generate concise summaries of long articles, making it easier to digest large amounts of information quickly. 4. Voice search and commands. Voice assistants like Siri use NLP to interpret voice commands and provide relevant answers. Despite all the progress in NLP, there are still challenges to overcome. Human language is full of nuances, slang, and ambiguity. For example, the same word can have multiple meanings based on context. Bank could refer to a financial institution or the side of a river. NLP systems need to deal with these kinds of complexities to understand language correctly. The future of NLP is incredibly exciting. With the rise of large language models like OpenAI's GPT series, NLP is becoming more sophisticated. These models are trained on vast amounts of data, allowing them to generate text, answer questions, and even have meaningful conversations. We're likely to see even more advanced systems in the future that can understand and generate human language at an almost human-like level. While most people think of NLP in terms of chatbots or virtual assistants, it's also making a big impact in industries like manufacturing. So, let's explore how NLP is transforming the manufacturing world. What is NLP in manufacturing? In the context of manufacturing, NLP is used to help machines and systems understand and process human language. But what does that mean exactly? Well, imagine a production floor with thousands of data points. Manual logs, maintenance records, sensor readings, customer feedback, and more. NLP can help interpret all this information, making it easier for manufacturers to make decisions, improve efficiency, and even predict problems before they occur. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the ways NLP is being used in manufacturing. 1. Predictive maintenance. Manufacturing equipment often has a lot of data about its performance. NLP can help analyze logs, maintenance records, and sensor data to predict when a machine might need maintenance, reducing costly downtime. 2. Automating documentation. Instead of spending hours manually sorting through maintenance logs, safety reports, or inventory lists, NLP can scan, categorize, and analyze documents in seconds. This saves time and helps workers focus on more critical tasks. 3. Customer feedback analysis. NLP can analyze customer feedback from multiple sources, like emails, surveys, and social media, to help manufacturers improve their products, identify potential quality issues, and refine processes. One of the biggest challenges in manufacturing is managing huge amounts of real-time data. NLP can play a role here by analyzing large volumes of unstructured data, such as product reviews, employee communications, and even machine signals. For example, an NLP system could read incoming emails or sensor data from a production line and immediately flag any issues, like a potential machine malfunction or a delay in the supply chain. This enables quicker decision-making and problem-solving. Effective communication is key to smooth operations on the factory floor. NLP can help here too. Many manufacturing companies have multiple teams working together: maintenance, operations, and supply chain teams, for instance. NLP tools can analyze communication and ensure that important information gets to the right people at the right time. Imagine using NLP to summarize long email chains, ensuring that everyone stays on the same page and no critical details are overlooked. Supply chains are complex, and managing them efficiently requires accurate information. NLP helps by analyzing supplier communications, invoices, and even product specifications in real time. This makes it easier to manage inventory, streamline procurement processes, and predict supply chain disruptions. For example, NLP can analyze a shipment report and notify supply chain managers if any parts are missing or delayed, allowing them to make adjustments before the issue escalates. Despite all the benefits, implementing NLP in manufacturing comes with challenges. One key challenge is the large variety of language used in manufacturing: technical jargon, abbreviations, and informal communication between workers. NLP systems need to be trained specifically to understand this industry language. Plus, integrating NLP with existing systems, like enterprise resource planning, ERP, and manufacturing execution systems, MES, can be complex. The future of NLP in manufacturing is promising. As machine learning algorithms become more sophisticated and as more data becomes available, NLP will become even more accurate and efficient. Imagine a fully automated factory floor where systems not only detect machine issues, but also communicate with technicians, order parts, and schedule maintenance, all without human intervention. That's the kind of future NLP is leading us toward in manufacturing. In conclusion, NLP is revolutionizing manufacturing by enhancing decision-making, improving communication, and optimizing processes. While there are still challenges to overcome, the future looks bright for this technology in the industry. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this interesting, feel free to like and subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping the future of manufacturing.